This is just a quick trade recap from yesterday, from Wednesday, the 14th of May. And yeah, just go quickly over all the confluences that were leading me into my trade entry yesterday. I took my trade yesterday on NQ, on NASDAQ. So yeah, let's just go quickly over it. So yeah, market opened and we had no news. So preferably I like trades when we have no high impact news, even before market open or after market open. And yesterday we had no news. So this was perfect for me. Before market open, I marked out the draws on liquidity on the buy side, on the sell side. We had hourly highs right here, equal lows, here. And yeah, as you should know, equal lows are always a high draw of liquidity, and market likes to take out these lows or equal highs. In that case, we had equal lows right here on the S&P 500 and also on NQ, on NASDAQ. As you can see, this low and this low, I mean, they're relatively equal lows. Let's mark it out. Yeah. So with that being said, I was watching market open candle. This is this black candle right here. And immediately market pushes up and sweeps out the first 15-minute high. And I was like, okay, this is a easy reaction. I mean, you can see how well this candle reacted off of this 15-minute high. So it's definitely a sweep. So yeah, you can easily scale down from there to the 1 minute. Let's see. So yeah, scale down to the 1 minute. And let's just see how, Yeah, so this is the sweep right here. You can see market pushed up high. And yeah, then we had a proper sweep. You could have waited for further confluences, for example, break of structure. And the break of structure we get right here with that black candle. So let me mark that out for you. And yeah, you can enter off this only, but to be fair, I was kind of scared only to enter off of a break of structure and to do something like this, you know, stops over these highs and then target these equal lows that we marked out. So I was scared to do that, and I didn't feel so confident, although it was looking like a proper sweep on the 15-minute. Like if you see this candle on the 15-minute, like this is a sweep how it is in the books, you know. It can't be more obvious than that. But we had also this high time frame high up here, and only to enter off of a break of structure on the market open candle can be kind of risky, because you never know, maybe the candle comes up again and decides to take out this high time frame high. So that's why I preferred NQ, because the NASDAQ gave me, after this 15-minute sweep that we also had here, the NASDAQ gave me another confluence besides the break of structure. And this is what was leading me to my entry. Let me just go here real quick on the 1 minute. So here we can see similar movement. Market open, the chart pushes up, the market comes here into this 15-minute high, and then we break structure with that candle right here. Not this candle, but this black candle closes underneath this previous low. So we have a break of structure, perfectly fine. And then I was waiting for a further confluence. And what was my further confluence? This 1 minute fair value gap that we filled, and we got a bearish reaction out of it. This was enough for me, and this was my trade. My first take profit, these lows, and this low right here was a 15-minute low. My second take profit. So yeah, this was my trade. Like, I got filled a bit more here, so it was like a 1 to 1.7 risk to reward ratio, which was amazing. I closed out 50% of my position right here, then moved my stops to break even. I'm sorry. Yo. Okay, so I moved my stops to break even, closed 50% of the position right here on that low, and on my second take profit, I closed everything out, which was, I think, the right decision, because as you can see, I got stopped out in the end of break even. So this was a pretty nice trade. ES, on the other hand, if we just take a look, ES in the end, which is kind of crazy, if you would have entered only off of the break of structure right here, stops over these highs, over the sweep, and you would have targeted these equal lows on the 15-minute, these equal lows right here that we marked out, bang and bang, this one, market hit all of them. Like, this would have been an amazing trade, and I know that some people maybe took this trade because, yeah, break of structure, completely capitulating price action, then barcode action, but yeah, it was obvious. High time frame, in that case 15-minute, and I think this was even a 1 hour low right here. Equal lows, got taken out, bangers. Like, this would have been the better trade yesterday, but as I said, I was a bit scared to only enter off of the break of structure. I entered off of the fair value gap tap-in and the break of structure. So this was my trade. Nevertheless, it was a winning day for me, which is always amazing. And yeah, tell me this shit doesn't work. I mean, you can clearly see that market loves to take out equal lows, especially after a liquidity sweep that we had right away when market opened. So yeah, guys, I hope this was helpful to you. I hope you learned something from this recap. And yeah, see you until the next one.